Watch this video till the end to see how to make other rockets. You can also make other rockets at home. It is very simple. It can do 100 feet, 20 feet, 25 feet, or even 1,000 feet. Watch this video till the end and you will understand. You can also do what I am doing in this video. It is very simple. Comment and let me know. May God bless you and protect you. I picked this rocket at a night. You are not in the field in the morning. Tell me how you like this video. I love what I do. You can do it too. It is very simple. If you also do other rockets at a school or at a home, let me know in the video comments. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, please subscribe and give it a like. May God bless you and keep you.